I'm feeling so amazing right now. I'm humble also right now, guys. I just hit 4,000 plus subscribers, and you can well imagine how I feel about this. So I must say kudos to you guys, and without you guys, this would not have been possible. Okay, it was and still is an incredible journey for me since I'm working. I'm not really, kind of being that active on my YouTube channel. But thank you for being there and not leaving me out. And I promise to keep posting lots more simple, easy, and delicious recipes for you. And as I continue to grow, I am grateful for your support. So also kindly watch the ads at least for 5 seconds as it would allow me to gain my revenues. And for those of you who haven't subscribed, kindly please do so. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Let's get started in the kitchen. We're making some chicken and potato patties, guys. As you can see, this patty, let me tell you, it's burning my fingers. It's just out from the oven, guys. You can see the steam here. My pastry dough is everything. It is so tasty. It is so delicious. Go right ahead. Press that subscribe button and that notification bell. So I have some ground chicken, some boiled potatoes, onion, garlic, carrots, red pepper, celery, some cubes, some other seasonings. I will be listing everything in the description box below. Feel free to use any type of seasonings of your choice and season to taste. So over medium heat, I add a pan and then I'm going to add some oil. And once the oil gets hot, I'm going to go right ahead and add my chopped onion and garlic. At this time, you can use how much garlic you want, how much onions you want into yours, what type of onions. It doesn't really matter. All right? Toss it up for about a minute or two or until the onion cooks through. You want to do this over medium heat, guys. And as I'm cooking, you have no idea how I'm feeling, guys. Oh, thank you again. Thank you so much. Once I do this for about a minute or two, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add my ground chicken. Mind you, I did soak my ground chicken with some lime and salt, and I had it in my calendar for over 35 minutes because I wanted to get most of the water out from it. Place it into here, and I'm continuing to do this over medium heat. And I'm going to add some turmeric in here. Do you say turmeric or turmeric? Comment below as in syllables, how you spell it, how you say it. All right, if that makes sense. Yes, so you want to cook it. You know this type of chicken do not take long to cook, right? So after 2-3 minutes of cooking up, I'm going to go ahead and add my bell peppers, my carrots, my celery. You can add some corn into yours. You can add some green peas into yours. Add that seasonings, as I said. Just make sure you taste as you go. Once you add the seasonings into there, you want to just toss it up a little. This is going to take another 2 minutes to cook through. And as I cook, I'm going to take the spoon and just crush the bigger pieces of chicken just to make sure that they get smaller into there. Now add the cooked potato. At this time, you can crush your potato, or you can even chop them up a little smaller than the way you're seeing it here. That's all right. It's already cooked, and when it's baked, it's going to be easy to grum down on. All right. So at this time, I tasted, I think I wanted some more seasoning, so I'm going to add some parsley and some more thyme. And this is dried thyme. Use fresh seasonings into yours. Okay. Give it a nice little stir. Cook it again for just a couple of seconds and then set it aside and make sure that it's cool enough before using. Now I did made my pastry dough, and I'm going to leave the link in the description box to this pastry dough, right? Because I did make other pastries and you're going to see how I did it. You want to roll it out to about less than 1/4 of an inch thick. And because I'm using a deep pan to do my patties, I'm going to use a bigger container to do the base of the patties, meaning that you want a bigger set of dough to press into that pan. And for the covering on the top of the patties, we're going to use a glass, which is going to make smaller base for the top. All right. So at this stage, I did not show you when I placed the dough into the pan, but you're going to use your initiative and just place it into the pan. But before I did that, I beat up an egg, and this is the egg wash that I'm going to use to base my patties. So as you can see, I placed the dough into my pan, and now I'm going to do the filling with the potato and chicken mixture here, guys. Ooh, this is so good. Once it's done, I'm going to go right ahead and just baste the top, which is the covering for the patties, and I'm going to place it right over and just give it a nice little press and use a fork, and then we're just gonna press the edges together just like this. At this time, I have my oven set to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And once I'm done, I'm going to just place a few little marks with the fork on my patties with the fork. Just a few little stabs onto it. And then I'm going to also cut off the excess pieces to the ends just to make it look a little neat, and baste with the egg wash. Now there is also another way that you can make your patty. As a matter of fact, many different other ways. But so simple. If you do not have a pan, you can just place your dough onto your countertop, place your filling in the middle, and then just baste the top of another piece of dough, press it right over the top, and then use your fork. And that's how you do it, guys. Just press it in and repeat the same pattern. Place that egg wash, pop it into the 350 oven, and let it bake for 15 to 18 minutes. And because I know I did make a good pastry dough, I did not grease my pan before I put my dough in. And once it's done, it's going to be easily removed. Look at this, guys. Beautiful color. All cooked through. So these are my chicken potato patties, guys. You can serve them as an appetizer, or it can be eaten as a snack. No matter the time, I'm always in the mood for one of these savory treats. So go right ahead, leave me a beautiful comment. Don't you also forget to subscribe, like, and share my videos. And also stay with me for many more simple, easy, delicious recipes, guys. And once again, I must say thank you for the great support. Without you guys, I would not have been able to get this far. So here you have it. Go give it a try and let me know what you think about it. I did serve it with some passion fruit drink. Feel free to use some milk or any type of drink you want with yours. So enjoy, and thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.